What's up, it's Maritza. Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is this female version of the grungy Joker from The Dark Knight. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. Starting out with liquid latex, I'm taking a Q-tip and I am doing a line coming out the sides of my mouth. And then I'm putting some tissue down on top of that latex and then covering it again with another layer of liquid latex. I am doing 2 layers of this. Liquid latex tissue, liquid latex tissue, liquid latex. Once the liquid latex is dry, I'm going over it with some translucent powder to take away the stickiness. And then I'm taking some scissors and I am cutting a line in the middle of that to create open cut smile. Then I'm taking some LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in their whitest shade. I'm covering my whole entire face with that. Then I'm taking this Maran Makeup Paradise Paint Palette. I'm taking a green shade and doing some eyebrows. Taking my Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking the purple shade in there. I'm taking a light purple and a dark purple, mixing them together, and I'm just putting that all over my eye area, blending it out. Then I'm taking some black and I'm focusing that on the lid area. And also bringing some purple and black eyeshadow underneath the eye as well. And then for this eye, I'm going for a little triangular shape. I'm bringing the eyeshadow down, coming down my cheek and up past my forehead as well. And then taking a smaller brush, I'm doing some lines in the face and contouring the nose. I want my nose to look crooked. So I'm putting some shadowing all over the face, my cupid's bow, my smile lines, around the nose. I give myself a nice little butt chin. Some wrinkles around the eyes. And of course, the forehead. So I'm just doing lines going across the forehead and then I'm blending them out a little bit. And then I'm bringing some black shadow on my cheekbones to get a little bit more sunken in cheekbones. Taking some black paint, I'm filling in between the smile and I'm painting my lips red. I'm also connecting that to the smile lines as well a little bit. Then taking some blood gel, I'm going around the mouth. And I'm also taking my stippling sponge and stippling a little bit of blood around the mouth as well. And I'm also doing a little drippy effect coming down. For the chest, I'm just doing a green and purple suit. So I do like the suit flaps green and then the rest is going to be purple. And then I'm outlining the suit with black paint. Taking that same white foundation and covering that inside portion white. Taking black eyeshadow, I am shadowing on the edges of the suit so it looks like it's sitting on top of my skin. And then I'm contouring out my collarbones and neck. Hopping back to the face, I do some black liner in my waterline and some nice cat eye wing liner. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave so you don't miss out on any new Halloween videos. If you do decide to recreate any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram so I can see it and I can like it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!